I love to be in the factory. It was very interesting to see how they built the engines and how many engines they built, and how the factories, how autumn it was, and it is how they develop every engine and how many engines they built in a day. It was very interesting to see how they develop everything about the cars, for example, the sound and every single detail to make the car safer and nicer. After I was in the factory and after I was in the laboratory to see everything, how they work it, that it is specialized to give the customers a good product, and they develop them very well, the electric pickup. And it was very nice to feel how it accelerates and how soft it was to driving it. I think Foton is working very well. They are developing the brand very good, and the vision they have to make 30% of the cars in the future more friendly to the world, I think that's a very good thing.
Foton, easy move.